FreeYouTube. So today I am going to show y'all. I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair after I shower. So as you can tell, it is currently wet. So I'll just unravel that there. Look how long my hair has become. Very, very nice. After I unravel my hair, I usually put some of this in it, which is the leave-in hair conditioner from Whole Blends. I showed you guys this in one of my natural bleach wavy looks. So as you can see, it kind of looks, I don't know, tangly, frizzy, all of the above. So let me just put that in my hair and put it all over. Okay, and let me get to brushing. So the two brushes that I had mentioned before, and let's get started. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like. I bossed up a little bit, and I will dry my hair because it's very important not to use a hair curling iron when your hair is wet because it is bad for your hair. Now, y'all know that these babies don't hold them. You know we gotta come in with that Tresemme hairspray. So, this is how I do it. And the curled hair that is curled, I go ahead and I tie it. I put it to the side because I know that I have already curled them. And I take down the other part of my hair that is up in that little bun, and I pull some out. Just like so. And you know that I'm gonna go ahead and curl that part. So we gotta put my hair back up in a little bun. Just like that. And we shall. I divided them into tiny parts just like that. Got my curling iron ready. Ooh, you see the smoke. Y'all not ready for this smoke. That basically means that it's just too hot. How long do you guys wait for your hairs to curl? I usually wait like 5-ish, 8 seconds or so. Not too long because I don't want to keep the heat too hot on my hair. I don't want to burn my hair at all. I barely curl my hair with a curling iron, and I barely use a hair straightener, so I just have my hair damaged from when I used to color my hair from like box dyes when I was younger, junior high, high school. Used to color my hair a lot, used to cut my own hair a lot, and when I finally tried some hairdressers in Toronto and Mississauga, I started getting nicer hair. My hair actually used to be up to here. Here's a picture that shows it. And after 3-ish years, it finally grew, which I'm quite ecstatic and happy about because it is uber long. Now the hair tie that I have on this side, I will connect it all together. Same process again, where I am going to do a half up, half down hairstyle. So I insisted on a half up, half down hairstyle. So I had to go ahead and part my long bangs. And right now I'm just about to tie this portion of my hair up, because once this portion of my hair is up, I'm going to give it a nice little braid down so it looks like a fancy kind of hairstyle. So I'll go ahead and tie it with one of my elastics, or my hair ties actually, just so that stays intact. And it will look like this when I tie it up. Okay. Just like that. Ta-da! And I'll go ahead. So this is the look. I thought I was gonna go ahead and braid this out, but instead I am just going to go like this and tie it together on the back. I'll just show y'all what that looks like. Nothing too excessive, but it looks like an interesting kind of hairstyle. So I'll just turn around here. Hopefully y'all can see me. Yep. So this is what it looks like in the back. I just make sure that I flip this inside out, just like that. And this is the hairstyle. So I wasn't gonna do so much with the bangs or anything, but I know that people or some girls like to wrap their hair around like that and then it somehow curls itself out. You can keep it just like this, or you can put it to the side, or you could put one side out or both sides in, and then you could just blend your curls in together, and that is your look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!